On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the KS eTen-R dropper seat post. This is a inexpensive, externally routed dropper seat post from KS Suspension. They do a great job of making some pretty nice dropper seat posts at a reasonable cost. So let's go ahead and pop it out of the package and I'll show you what comes inside. So inside the package here, you'll see the dropper seat post. The one we're looking at here is a 100mm drop seat post that's 385 millimeters in total length. So it's a 30.9. This does come in some different widths as well. And on the seat post, it's going to look really nice. So it's a nice blacked out finish. Of course, you're going to have your minimum insertion mark. Down here is going to be the service port to be able to get to a gas charge cylinder that's inside. And then this lever at the top, this is actually what's going to activate the dropper seat post. Now that's going to be activated through a cable routing system, a mechanical system that goes to a lever on the handlebar. And this lever on the handlebar, you're going to be able to push down, and that's going to allow you to open up the hydraulic cylinder that's inside of here. So with it compressed down, I'll show you how it works. Basically, when this pushes, it's going to depress that gas cylinder and it's going to allow the extension. Now this dropper seat post is available in the 100mm like we have here. It's also available in a 65mm, that's 300 millimeters in length. And that's great, especially if you have a smaller frame size or a frame with a weird kind of kink or angle to the seat tube where you're not able to run a full-length post. Now up top, it's going to be a single bolt design, which does make it easy to adjust. It's a little less customizable because you have some set detents, if you look in there, some set positions that this can go into, but it is going to work with both round or ovalized saddle rails. So that's a look at some of the features of this seat post. You know, it's a good quality gas charge cylinder seat post, and one thing to mention is these are actually really easy to service. Because it's a gas charge cylinder, you can just replace that if you ever need to. There's a few keyways on the inside that all it takes is unscrewing this collar to be able to get the seat post to come apart. So let's go ahead and find out what this seat post weighs. So on the scale, the eTen dropper seat post is going to come in and weigh 623 grams. It's certainly not going to win any weight weenie competitions, but it is a very nice seat post for the money, and it's going to work well, especially if your frame needs an externally routed dropper seat post. So thanks for watching this video on the KS eTen-R seat post. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think.